Yes. This is Big Ben. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Big Ben and I'm a full-time trader. I'm a professional. I do this Monday through Fridays. I trade the stock market and I also swing trade the crypto market. Okay. And right now, the crypto market is in a bear market. And I just been telling people that if you want to buy these dips, just be careful, because buying dips in the bear market is a very dangerous game. Right now we have a big sell-off, so we'll see what's going on with that. But overall, guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you want to learn about, how to read the charts, how to, play these swings, definitely hit that subscribe button, because I definitely talk about that. And during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, so if you are watching the replay, you can actually go to settings, hit speed, and select 1.5 or 2, so you can speed up the replay. So shout out to you guys that's here already. Let's see who's in the chat room. What's going on, Eric? What's going on, Ham? What's going on, 01? What's going on, Crypto Gains? Okay. Thanks a lot for coming through, everybody. We're going to wait and see if more people could come through. But overall, guys, right now we have a big sell-off. We have a big sell-off. Actually, let me give everybody a round of applause. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out for you, everybody that's coming through. Okay, so, right now we have a big sell-off, guys. And I decided to take a short right here, a small position. So we'll see what's going on with that. It's a small, position, and basically I'm looking for a 1-to-1. I'm not looking for crazy gains for this one, but just that. If I take a loss, I take a loss. I don't care. 01 said, told you I was looking for that support at 77, ha, and it broke below. Yeah, I hear you, man. Hey, what's going on, Easy Build? What's going on, everybody? Thanks a lot for coming through. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Definitely gonna wait to see if more people coming through, but let's go over what's going on. Let's go over. Let me see. So overall, guys, let's go to the market. Let's refresh this real quick. Okay, so right now we at 277. I told you before, guys, that the 300 billion mark was a very, how would I say, a resistance level that was just, very hard to break. And it's funny how nobody in the crypto space was really talking about that 300 billion. I was talking about this since last month. 300 billion was a number that every time Bitcoin tried to either go to it or break above it, every time it showed some type of resistance. And the last time we broke over it, and we just barely, went above it. Maybe, I think the high was 304, and then we just shot right back down. Okay. So overall, Raphael said, how do I short in the USA? So Raphael, are you new to my channel? Raphael, I believe I'm saying your name right, Raphael. I believe I'm saying it. But are you new? Are you new to the channel? Because you said, how do I short in the USA? Are you new to the channel? Let me know. So overall, yes, guys. So we have this little, I mean, not little, but we had a resistance line right here, and ever since then, Bitcoin been struggling. Okay, so right now it's just, we see a lot of sellers come in. And okay, so yes, all right. So if you are new to my channel, I talk about shorting. Is you can use jaffax.com. That's what we use. Okay, I talk about this in my course. If you don't have this course yet, you can actually wait. Just give me a second. Usually during the live stream, I give a 50% discount. So give me a second on that. But basically, I go through everything step by step in this course. But you can go to javfax.com and you can sign up for there. You only need maybe what, $50 to fund your account. And if you live in the United States, you can still short. So that's what we use right now. Some people, you can use BitMEX, but I think you need a VPN. Of course, I'm not telling nobody to use a VPN, but that's what most people do if they live in the United States, which I wouldn't recommend. Okay, but at the same time, that's what some people do. But if you just want to go around that, yeah, you can go to javfax.com and sign up for them or with them. But thanks a lot for coming through. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot for coming through. You are at the right place. So shout out to you. Okay. So let me see if I see any questions before I keep going. What's going on, G Baker? What's going on, man? Why do you recommend against VPN? Well, you know, because you're hiding your IP, right? So if you get caught, you know, I guess that's on you. But at the same time, you know, if you live in the United States, you shouldn't be. Well, they don't want you to sign up for BitMEX. But you know, at the end of the day, whatever you want to do, that's up to you. I'm just trying to give you another way around that. You don't have to get a VPN and all that extra stuff. Let me see if I see any questions before I get this party started. Easy Bill said, learning the market slowly but surely with your material. Thanks. Losing but winning. All right. So shout out to Easy Bill making his money. I mean, learning this market. So shout out to you. Drew said you made 200 off a vet holding in tether. So you made $200. Did you short it, or did you made it based on buying it? King Caffey said, what's up with the alts? So are you new to my channel, King? Shout out to King. Are you new to my channel? Thanks a lot for all you guys that's coming through. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I definitely appreciate it. Okay, so shout out to Jules, guys. Jules making his money by shorting. That's what's up, man. Jules made $200, okay? And now he put it in tether. So shout out to Jules making his money, guys. Making his money. So King, are you new to the channel? Yeah, smash these likes. King said, I've been trying to buy with so low prices, trying to play long term. Watch your last video about playing long term. Yeah, so basically, King, if you're buying the dips, honestly, in my opinion, buying the dips in a bear market is a very dangerous game, because we don't know how long this bear market will last. But not only that, we don't know how far this thing could go. So buying dips right now, just because prices look good, doesn't really do anything. So honestly, there's other ways to make money. Jules said, thanks for taking for the advice on taking the profits, man. So shout out to Jules for making his money taking profits. I like to see that. I like to see people making money in this current market, because most people can't make money in this current market, or they don't know how to make money, or they're too stubborn to make money because they just want to buy and hold and think that things are just going to reverse and go to 50K. Okay, you have to play whatever the market is doing. You have to do that. Okay, I told you guys, if the market goes to 50K, I can still make money. If the market goes down to 2K, I can still make money. Okay, I play the direction. So shout out to you guys that's making this money right now. Right now I have a little position on BTC. Is at a key level right now. So on a daily chart, what's going on, Dom? So on a daily chart right now, we have a nice little 1, 2, 3 on a daily chart, and basically at a key level. So I took a small position. I'm going short on BTC right now for a quick 1-to-1. Okay. Now, is it going to work out? I don't know. So don't follow me during this live stream. This is financial. This is not a financial advice. This is entertainment only. But I do like this because a lot of sellers came in, and I'm just looking for a quick 1-to-1. That's it. I'm not looking for this thing to go down to the bottom, because I believe that before we go down to the bottom, we either going to go up one more time. We probably going to test the high, or probably trying to go up one more time. Or if we don't go up one more time, we're going to create some type of double top. So I'm not looking to, hold this and go to the, hold it all the way down to the bottom. Let me see if I see. Dom said was at the beach. Dan, that's a nice setup. Yeah, it's a nice setup on a daily chart. Okay. I like playing the daily chart because it's more accurate, but it doesn't give you a lot of opportunities, every month. So that's why 4 hours is another good chart to look at. But the daily chart is definitely more accurate than the 4 hour. Let me see if I see any questions here. But shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. Be careful in this market. This market, for some people it's tricky. But if you understand, if you study the market, it's not tricky at all. I remember someone say, "Oh my gosh, this market is so unpredictable. It's so crazy." It's not unpredictable at all if you understand what's going on. If you can sit back and study, just the same way you go on Instagram and Facebook and play video games, that same amount of energy that you put into those things, you can actually put it into studying the charts and figure out how to make this money, because that's what I did. Okay, so let's see if I see any questions. Let me see. What's going on, Flex? Let me see. I'm looking at these questions. Got it. I didn't short. Didn't have my eye on it. Okay, I hear you. Shout out to King. He said he's just here to learn. No problem. Eric said, when TRX got news, I'm making money. I'm selling the news. Work every time. Shout out to Eric. Craig Hand said, yo, Ben, pull off another X1. Maybe you should held a little more, but I want to watch Bitcoin close. So shout out to Craig. Craig is making his money. Okay. He pulled another 1x, so that's what's up, man. And people, if you are new to my channel, if you don't understand what's going on right now, you're seeing my students that basically are tired of buying and holding. Okay, not saying that buying and holding is not good, but they're tired of losing money and they looking for another situation, another way to make money. So they playing these swings. Okay, so for you guys that's buying and holding, okay, if you want to do that, that's fine. I told you guys, you can do that, whatever you want to do. But if you want to do this full time, because on my channel I preach that. Most of these YouTubers, they don't care. They don't care about you. They don't care about nothing, actually, because all they want to do is just make videos, promote ICOs, and you know, talk about things that's going to the moon, and not even study how the market works. Okay, so they don't care about you. All they care about is just basically saying things is going to the moon. What I want on my channel is I love to promote working for yourself. Okay, I want most people to work for themselves, because that's the best thing in the world. Trust me. Okay, and it's hard to work for yourself if you just buy and hold, because with that strategy, you're gonna have years where the market is not doing nothing. Okay, this is a prime example. Okay, cryptocurrency ever since January really hasn't been doing anything. So the best way this year to make money is by taking advantage of these swings. So that's what you're seeing on the chat room. So if you're new to my channel, that's what you're seeing. So shout out to you guys that's making this money. Let me see if I see any questions. But yes, guys, right now, like I said, right now, that 300 billion was not right now, but overall that 300 billion was a key resistance. It seemed like Bitcoin definitely couldn't go above that. The overall, what is this? The bull is coming. What is that? Anyway, so the overall volume in Bitcoin, guys, is low. I told you guys it's low, and I told you that it was suspect to me, right? I told you that, you know, this move itself didn't look right to me, because at the bottom it was really no volume. Okay, at the bottom it was really no volume right here, and you have to understand that the big dogs, they at the bottom, they come in, and when you see 3 billion, 2 billion, 4 billion at the bottom, then you know that this is not really real buying. Okay, then when the market popped up like this, automatically that's when you see the volume increase. And if you know anything about the big dogs, they don't buy at the top, or they don't get in late. So overall, this whole move looks suspect, because basically we was going up in a straight line. We was having tiny pullbacks, and if you know anything about these tiny pullbacks, it's not sustainable. It's not. If you go in the past, you'll see it. Every time we went up like this, we went up big like this, we had tiny pullbacks, and then next thing you know, sellers came in. Okay, went up, tiny pullbacks, sellers came in. Another situation, tiny pullbacks, and guess what? Sellers came in. So that's why, you know, it's very good to understand the charts and understand how to read these charts. So let me see if I see any questions. Raphael said yes. So JAFA, no, JAFX. JAFX. So Ace said, so you can open up a position even if it's above the 50 EMA on your chart, even though you said short. No, if you listen to the videos again, and go to the advanced section, you know that I told you you can actually short when price is at key resistance. Okay, right now price is at a key resistance right here. You see off this triangle. Okay, now I'm short because it's at this key resistance and it's showing a nice little 1, 2, 3 on a daily chart at the key resistance. Will this work? I don't know, but I like it because I know the daily chart is a little bit more accurate than the 4-hour. But the only thing about the daily chart is it doesn't give you a lot of signals. Okay, so I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1 on this move. So anywhere around here, I'm looking to get out. But it's a small position, so it doesn't matter if I take a loss or not. I don't care. But you know, that's Ace. If you have the course, then you know that I talk about, you know, I'll go over the advanced strategies. So Ben, you reckon BTC won't bounce to 885 no more? Right now, as we're looking at right now, this is very, very, I mean, the sellers came in, and right now BTC looks weak, okay? It's a possibility we can go up one more time. So that's why I said if I take a loss on this, I don't care. But to me, this is a very, how would I say, it's high probability setup because we are at a key level, and I see a nice little setup, okay, at the key level. Now, will Bitcoin hit 85 again? It's a possibility because this quick 1-to-1 only brings me down to like what, 73, 70, maybe 72-ish. Okay, so it doesn't bring down the market down far. Okay, so even if I get a quick 1-to-1 off this, we can bounce right back up. Okay, so we can bounce right back up to 86, 87, and then maybe sell off again. That's a possibility. But right now everything looks weak, and I'm going with the sellers right now. Let me see if I see any questions. BTC is dropping. Yes, AJ. Hey, what's going on, Ben? Look like a bear market lasts until Leslie Savage said, hey, I look for this bear market to last until mid 19. Honestly, it could last more than that, but you know, we'll see. I try not to think too far ahead. But you know, things could last more than that. CB said, hey, Ben, your previous video said the market was bearish 5 years. You have to include the top. Okay, so let's include the top. Let me go to, and shout out to everybody that's new. If you are new to my if you're new to my channel, thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. So let me see this chart real quick. So I'm looking at BTC right here. Okay, I'm looking at the high right here. Okay, the high right here. And this is 2013. I'm looking at the high. That's how you do it. You go from the high. Okay, the high is at 2013, 11, okay, which is November. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. So the high was what? It says 11,007. 11,007. Okay. 11,007 was around let me see, 2017. So that's what I'm talking about. Who asked me that question? CB. That's what I was talking about. So let me see if I see. Eric said, I would like to buy your course and learn about more shorting. So shout out to Eric. Eric wants to get the course. So if you don't have this course, he's talking about this course right now. So let me give you the discount, because during the live stream, I give people discounts. So shout out to Eric. Eric wants to get the course. So let me get this out of the way so I can give this to Eric. So if you don't have this course by now, basically this course is the best course on the market, period, hands down. And I have students to back it up. I'm not just saying it just because I made it. I have students to back this up. So let me copy this link for you guys. So I just posted a link. If you don't have this course, check it out. It shows you how to become a professional, professional investor. It will show you how to navigate through the market like a real pro. Because a real pro doesn't care whether the market goes up or down, because he can actually make money. And I told you guys, if Bitcoin goes to 50K, I can still make money. If Bitcoin goes to 2,000, I can still make money. Some of you guys can't say that. Okay. If you go to my testimonials, you'll see people making money. Okay. $400, $40, $130, $400, $4K, $450, $800, $600, $270. Just go on and on. Okay. My top student made 21,000. I have more testimonials. I just didn't put it on the page because I don't need to put them on the page. But if you don't have this, definitely check it out. If you have a 9 to 5, it can still work out for you, because we are playing the long time frames, the daily charts and the 4 hour, so you can still make money. Let me see if I see anything. Let me see if I see any questions. If you have any questions, let me know. Shout out to Eric that wants to get the course. Let me see. Hey, Ben, do you think the swing trading more profitable with Ethereum or Bitcoin? Right now, the reason why I'm focusing on Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is the leader, but it doesn't matter what's more profitable. I think both of them can be profitable. Both of them can be profitable. Okay. But it's up to you. But shout out to you guys. Okay. We talked about this, guys. We talked about this the other day. That's why you see the drawings on my chart. Okay. That's why you see the drawings on my chart. I talked about this way before it happened. I said that this whole move right here doesn't look right, guys. It doesn't look right. Why is Bitcoin going up, holding its gains, and these altcoins are just going down? Okay. And not only that, we went to the 4 hour and I said, guys, this looks like a bearish, a bear flag. Okay. So when we was talking about this, it didn't break out yet. Okay. We were just in this consolidation. So I was like, yo, guys, this looks very, very bearish right here, because, if you know anything about how to read the charts, you know that once the price goes down like this, drops down, and then consolidates like this, this is straight up a flag. Okay. And sure enough, we see, guess what? Continuation. I drew this way before this happened. So I said, guys, just be careful buying these dips, because buying dips right now is a losing game in this bear market. So let's look at XRP. XRP looks like it's trying to go down to these lows. XRP is fiending. It looks like it's fiending to go down to these lows. So you know, it's crazy right now, but that's what's going on right now, guys. This is a bear market. There's nothing that we can do. Only thing we can do is take advantage of it, of these swings, and make money. That's it. So TRX, people ask me about TRX, said, hey man, is it a good time to buy? I said, you know, you can do whatever you want. Me personally, I'm not buying in the bear market. I refuse to do it. You know, I've been doing this game so long, basically 11 years, and I understand how a bear market works. They are very good at tricking you and making you believe that the market is going to go up, and it slams right back down. So me personally, I can't tie up my money like that. Okay. But TRX popped up. We talked about this resistance line right here. Okay. We talked about this resistance line. I said, guys, TRX, yes, it popped out this nice little triangle, whatever, but we have this resistance line right here. So in order for TRX to go any type of, you know, go bullish, we have to pass this line right here. But guess what, guys? It went to this resistance line and it sold right off. So a lot of people actually shorted this Tron right here and made money. So like I said before, it's up to you guys. I come on here every day, you know, talking the same thing. Some of you guys listen, some of you guys don't. But it is what it is. You know, shout out to you guys that's making this money, though. Shout out to you guys that's making this money. I definitely like to see that. You said that was my X1, Ben. Watch this. Okay, so the ETH was your X1. All right, so shout out to Craig, guys. Craig is making his money. Craig shorted ETH. Okay, he shorted ETH, and he made his X1 off this joint. So shout out to you, man. Making his money, Craig. That's what's up, man. I like to see that, because a lot of people are complaining right now, and you're not. Charlie said, shout out to me. Shout out to you, Ben. Shout out to you, Charlie. What's going on? So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. So probably make this a quick stream, because I might stream later on tonight. We'll see. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But you know, we talked about a lot of stuff about, you know, how a bear market works. You see these resistance line on this is very similar to TRX, where it has this resistance line right here, almost like a head and shoulder type of situation, right? You have the head right here, you got the left shoulder right here, and people say, yo, technical analysis doesn't work with crypto. Technical analysis doesn't work with crypto. Bro, it works. Trust me. So you have that with the Litecoin. So it's just right now the altcoins are just, whew, man, they're selling off. And I kind of knew something was fishy, because why the altcoins wasn't following Bitcoin? It didn't seem right at all. It didn't seem right. So, you know, Bitcoin right now, honestly, guys, I don't think it has enough steam to go up anymore. It might do another push up. We might do another push up, but as of right now, and we talked about this before. I actually talked about this, okay? We talked about, you know, I asked you guys that, is the altcoins, or the altcoins a leading indicator right now? Are they leading the market? Is Bitcoin a distraction right now, and the altcoins is actually leading the market? Okay. But you know, we'll see. So let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. And Eric, let me know when you get the course, Eric. Let me know when you get the course. What's going on, Mr. XRP? I hope everything is good on your side. Roy. What did Roy said? Dom, what did Roy said? Was Roy trolling, Dom? Hey, what's going on, Crypto Gains? Hey, Ben. You're done. You're trading. Nah, I don't mess with Tether at all. I don't mess with Tether. So I either keep it on the exchange or I take the profits out and I go to fiat. I don't, you know, I don't keep it at Tether. I mean, if you want to keep it in Tether, that's, you know, that's on you. I'm not telling you to not do it. I'm just saying, me personally, I don't do it. So August is what, around the corner? Actually, tomorrow, right? So we might, all depends. We might get I mean, we might get a bullish bar tomorrow. We'll see. But this overall, this things look weak. It looks like, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in a little bit. It looks like the market wants to test this area right here, which is the breakout. Okay, we had a breakout right here on a 4-hour, a nice little breakout, and it looks like it wants to test this breakout, and most likely either it's going to test the breakout or it's going to go below the breakout, because there's a lot of stops below this. You have to understand, a lot of people bought this breakout and they put their stop below this. Okay, so the market loves to hunt for stops. So hopefully I can get that quick 1-to-1 while I hunt for the stop. We'll see. But overall, like I said, guys, I'm willing to take a loss. I'm willing to take a loss because this is a very high probability setup. Okay, so Eric said I'm working on it. Got some. Okay, I hear you. I hear you, Eric. Okay, so I see what you said. You said that he said the N word. I hear you. I hear you. But shout out to Roy. Roy said he's not a troll, so shout out to you. Let me see. Let me read some questions. Dom said, "Where's the trolls at?" Yeah, I know. Shout out to Mr. XRP. Shout out to you. He said no complaints. This is a buying season. So let me ask you this, Mr. XRP. How come you feel like this is a buying season? Let me know. Let me know, why do you think this is a buying season, Mr. XRP? Craig Hand said, I saw as soon as Ethereum was, what you said, it was peak was lower, short straight away for better gains. Oh, you asking me a question? If Ben, if you saw the second peak was lower, you short straight away for better gains, or wait what peak you talking about? What peak you talking about, Craig? King said, "What are your thoughts on the whole ETF thing?" So shout out to King. He's new to my channel. My thoughts on the whole ETF thing is, number one, you have to understand that even if it gets approved, people are not just going to jump in like that. Okay, you have to understand how this game works. If you are waiting, if most the way most people in this crypto space, they just follow everybody else, right? So if one big YouTuber say, "Hey guys, we are waiting for this ETF. The ETF is going to bring in billions of dollars." Okay, if that one big YouTuber say that, then everybody follows that guy. But you have to understand how things work. An ETF is not going to bring in billions of dollars, because this whole market itself is not regulated. So you have to understand that don't look for the ETF to save this market, because even if the ETF is approved, that doesn't mean that billions of dollars is going to flood the market. Okay, the same way we had the futures come in and most people got amped and hyped. You have to understand that people are not just going to flood in billions of dollars in the crypto market and the market is not regulated. But shout out to King. He's new to the channel. Bobby said, "Do I have a not yet, Bobby? Not yet." Leonard said he's going long. Who's going long, Leonard? And Mr. XRP, how come you didn't answer the question yet? XRP, Mr. XRP, why do you think this is a buying season? I'm reading these comments. So you said bull flag destroyed, bear flag is forming. We'll test the support. Shout to Booker. On ETH. Yeah, but I want to hear what Mr. XRP has to say about this, okay? I want to hear his thoughts. I want to hear his thoughts, because I understand a limit. I understand that, you said because everything is low, but I want to hear his thinking. Because just because everything is low doesn't mean that it's a buying season. Things was low back in January, right? We was going down. Things was low over here. Things was low over here. Things was low right here. Things was low right here. So you can't, that's not a good way to invest in a bear market. So shout out to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot for coming through. I'm reading these comments right now. I'm about to get off soon. Probably come on later on. So Mr. XRP said, as far as XRP, I believe it's manipulation. XRP won't really move until institutions get at a price they want. So far now, buy, because it won't stay at these low prices. Slowly being places are new. Okay, so Mr. XRP, okay. So you said for now, buy, okay. So let me ask you this, XRP. How long are you going to say buy? Okay? If this continue to go on for another 2 years, are you going to continue to say buy? Because most people do not have enough money to continue to buy. Okay? Ace said, I'm surprised you didn't open a sell position at around 8K. That signal breakout good enough then, right? You said 8K? We mean 8K. Nah, that's, I mean, I'm looking at the whole daily chart. So, you know, I don't care about the 8K. I'm looking at the whole pattern. It completed, so I'm short right now. You know, like I said, if so a small position, but if I take a loss, I'm okay with it, because this is a nice area to take a short, because right now I see a lot of sellers, and overall I knew the market had to pull back. You know, I knew the market was trying to pull back. I just didn't know when. Okay, and also it looks like they trying to get these guys out of here. The one that took this breakout. So I might be okay. We'll see though. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here though. Let me see if I see anything. Shout out to Eric, guys. Shout out to Eric, guys. Eric bought this course right here. Eric bought the course, so shout out to him. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Shout out to Eric. Eric said he got the course, and he said let's make some profits. Shout out to him, man. Basically, like I tell everybody that the course, you know, once you study, do things step by step, you can make this money. Okay, if you don't have this course by now, definitely check it out. It will show you how to be a professional. It will show you how to make money right now. You don't have to wait. Okay, so you don't have to wait. And you know, most people saying, well, XRP said, Mr. XRP, shout out to you. I'm not picking on you, Mr. XRP, so don't think I'm picking on you. But you know, I had to bring this up because most people think like that. Okay, they think that everything is cheap right now, and they don't realize how brutal a bear market is. A bear market is so brutal to the point where it makes you probably want to throw up, or you know, hide somewhere when it goes down that low. Because guys, you know, if this thing rolls over, trust me, this thing could get ugly. Okay, we can see some lows that you would never think that Bitcoin would, you know, ever go. So don't ever think that XRP is at a good level just because right now is at what is that right here, 40 something cents. XRP can go way lower than that. Okay, let me see if I see any questions. But shout out to Eric for getting this course, man. Appreciate it. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel. I appreciate it, man. And if you don't have this course yet, did I copy and paste this? Yeah, I did copy and paste this. Let me see. Yeah, smash the likes. Smash the likes, like Leslie said. Yeah, shout out to Dom. O'Connor said, "Hey Ben, I have limited internet access. Last a few weeks ago. O'Connor, are you the one that said you affiliate marketing, a marketer? Yeah, O'Connor. Yes, you did send me a affiliate. So O'Connor, definitely email me. Okay, email me and let me know. But right now, you said that you bought the course, so you finally bought the course. So shout out to O'Connor. O'Connor actually finally bought the course. Like I said, if you don't have this course right now, is at 50% off. Okay, on live stream. When I get off a live stream, it's going right back to 210. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of that. But let me give O'Connor a round of applause. Shout out to you. He finally got the course. And yes, O'Connor, email me, please. Hit me up. Email me. If you don't have my, okay, you say you've been in Colombia, so okay, so email me if you don't have my email address. Here's the email address. Let me know. Let me know. So that's my email address. Okay, cool. All right, so let me see if I see any questions. And shout out to everybody that's supporting the channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for Eric and O'Connor getting the course. Shout out to y'all guys. Let me see. So how's your trip going, O'Connor? You said are you from are you from the northern British Columbia? Are you from there? Are you from there, or are you just visiting? What's going on over there? How's the trip? So Mr. XRP said it will be a domino effect. All banks will adopt Ripple XRP once XRapid goes live. So, Mr. XRP, I'm glad that you feel that way. I understand, okay? But I also understand that the market doesn't have to deal with XRP right now, okay? XRP is going, it's doing its own little thing right now, and the market doesn't care about what XRP is doing. So right now, we are interested in making money, and whatever XRP does with with the banks, we don't know how far or when that's going to happen, but we are interested in making money right now. Okay, so that's the difference, Mr. XRP. Leslie Savage said, smart money is always selling anyways. Facts. Dom said, bye money if people keep on buying these dips. That's funny. Oh, man, that's funny. Whew. Let me see if I say any questions. Oh, man. Oh, so you say you go up there sometimes? I hear you. I hear you. That's what's up. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know, because I'm about to get off the stream. CB Hilarious said, "Hey Ben, Dog Park channel mentioned you in one of his videos called Enough is Enough." Yeah, I saw that video. And honestly, if you know, Doug is funny. Doug is a funny guy. He's cool. He's a funny guy. But most likely, if this market continue to go down, we won't see Doug no more. Let's keep it real, guys. We won't see Doug no more. Doug only make videos when the market goes up. So that's why I made a comment on his channel. I said, Doug, man, you could make money even if the markets go down. Even if the market goes down, so you can make this money. So but shout out to him. Let me see. Bima Bro said TRX was the easiest short ever. Shout out to you guys that are making this money, man. Oh my gosh. They said this is the easiest money ever right here. It was because Tron has, number one, Tron has a history of pumping and dumping before the news and after the news, right? So we had that going, you know, on our side, and also we had this resistance line. So yes, Tron was probably the most easiest short ever. And this is why I don't buy in the bear market, because things, you don't know how far things could go. Things could just go up just a little bit, and that's it. But if you are willing to take little spikes, because I know somebody actually made, I forgot who made money off this. Someone, I think Walter, I believe. Walter actually made money off this. So if you're willing to take your profits, then yes, you can make money on the long side, but not if you're trying to buy it and hold it for the next year. So let me see. GRE said, I'm itching to make this money. Yes, man. Yes, yes, yes. Eric said, do you think BTC is going down in the next few days? Eric, I hope so, because right now I'm short BTC. I'm short BTC because we're at a key level. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. Do not go short just because I went short, okay? I told you guys that I'm willing to risk. I have a small position on this. I'm willing to risk because I see a high probability setup, because we are at a key level. You know, we had the daily chart gave me a nice little setup, and I think I could get a quick 1-to-1 out of this. So yes, I believe Bitcoin will go down some more, because honestly, to be honest with you, I thought we was gonna go up. So this tells me overall, it tells me that it's weak right now. So I think we go down a little bit more. I don't expect this thing to go down crazy, you know. So that's why I'm going for a quick 1-to-1. We'll see though. We'll see. I'm okay if I take a loss. That's what professionals do. They take losses all the time. Let me see. You said you don't trust part-time traders. What you mean? What you mean by that, GR8? I see. Good work. So shout out to Eric Jobson. So overall, guys, I'm about to get off the stream, but you know, BTC, even if it goes up one more time, I don't expect it to go up that high. Maybe 87, maybe 88, because right now the psychological number is 9,000 and 10,000. Okay, those are the very key levels right there, and I think you have to understand how the whales think. You have to understand how the whales think. The whales know that 9K and 10K is a very important level. So we might not even make it there. You know, but anything is possible. Anything is possible. We can, you know, go up and test those levels. But as of right now, we might not even make it there because they know that a lot of people want to get out or break even at those levels. So they probably won't even bring the market to that level. But we'll see. We'll see. 10K to me, it's very hard to see 10K. 9K maybe, 9K maybe, but 10K is very hard to see it. But we might not even make it to those levels. Okay, so this we gotta just, you know, take it day by day, and, you know, swing by swing, day by day, swing by swing. Oh, you talking about Doug Polk? Okay, yeah, I hear you. Doug Polk is not even a trader. He's just a guy that's, I don't know what he is. I mean, I know he plays poker, but he probably hopped onto the bandwagon because he probably knew that he can get a lot of views from the crypto world, and he came out of nowhere. Honestly, I don't know how he got that many subscribers that quick. I don't know. I don't even know how long he had that channel, but he probably has a good marketing team or something, because he got a lot of subscribers real quick. But, you know, overall, he's an entertainer, and, you know, he's not a trader at all. He really doesn't understand the market. He just buys and hopes everything will go up. But I'm about to get out of here, but I'll probably come on later on. Yeah, it looks weak. Yes, it does look weak. Yeah, I thought, honestly, I thought we were gonna push up one more time too, but when I saw the sellers come in and I see a nice little setup on a daily chart, to me that was a good, that's a good setup. You know, that's a good sign. So I'm willing to take this trade. If I take a loss on this, I'm okay with it. But I think I can get a quick 1-to-1 out of it. Let me see. His followers are from the poker. He has no business talking about crypto, in my opinion. Yeah, he does have a. That's probably another reason why too. He has a poker channel, so his followers probably came over from the poker channel. But yeah, he really doesn't. You can tell he doesn't know anything about the market itself. So it is what it is. But he is a funny guy though. Yeah, but any guys, I mean, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm about to get out of here because I probably come on later on. Everything looking weak right now. Like I said before, it seems like the altcoins was the leading indicator. It seems like the altcoins was the leading indicator. So that's why I was telling you guys something didn't seem right. Okay, Bitcoin seemed like, you know, everyone's saying, hey, Bitcoin going to the moon, guys. We're going to 50K. But the altcoins were saying, nah, we ain't going to 50K. What's going on? So it didn't seem right. Why wasn't the altcoins following Bitcoin? It didn't seem right at all. So that's why I was, you know, it was just, the whole situation was suspect to me. And buying the dip, most people don't, this is why most people don't, a lot of people will just, most people either they're going to give up cryptocurrency or they're going to go broke or something, because most people don't understand the cycles of the market. Okay, they treating the bear market like the bull market. So they buying these dips saying that, guys, you know, we are at a good level. This is good prices. Not realizing a bear market is called a bear market for a reason, meaning it's going to go down. Okay, we can go down even lower than this. So you have to understand that buying dips in a bear market is a very dangerous game. And you can't continue to buy a bear market if it lasts for years. Most of you guys, actually, I know most of you guys don't have that type of money. You're gonna need a real good bankroll for that. Okay. So it is what it is. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Oh, you said 3. Where's my laugh? Where's my laugh? Sound bites. That's crazy. Let me see. Oh my gosh, this is funny right here. I gotta get some laugh. What my laugh? Eric Johnson said 3K before noon. Oh man, that would be crazy, guys. That would be nuts. That would be nuts. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Booker said buy the dips in the bear market, dips even lower. Exactly. Okay, it dips lower, buying a dip. Creative Video said first time I did the same thing, stupid thing. I learned how to lose in 30 seconds, but now it's a game. He said it's a game. I mostly win. So shout out to Creative Video. Yes, this is a game, guys. Okay, this market is a game. And if you guys didn't see my last video that I put out, a video today. It's 11 minutes long, and I just basically break it down because most people think that, you know, everything is just because you believe in the technology, things will just continue to go up every single year. And just go watch that video. But shout out to you guys. You said that's Full House laughs. I don't know what laughs. I'm trying to find a good laugh. Oh man, I got a whole bunch of laughs here, so I don't know which one is the best. Let me see. But shout out to you guys. Oh man. Bro. But yeah, guys, shout out to you guys. I might come on later on. So Bimmer said, I'm thinking to close my short on BTC 75 if it completes, then will be the second biggest win I have since I bought Ben's course. Your course is a bargain. So shout out to Bimmer Bros. Basically, he said he's looking to close his short. Okay, and he said that would be his biggest win. His biggest win ever. He said my course is a bargain. Yes, I tell you guys all the time, the course is a bargain. I could sell it for $400 easy. I'm trying to give you guys a chance. If you don't have this course, check it out before I leave, because it's going to be $200 when I get off the live stream. But I'm about to get out of here, guys. Let me see if I see one more question. GR8. Shout out to GR8. Exactly, GR8. You said the girl laugh is from the video game. Okay, I didn't know that. Ben said your laugh is better. I know, right? I should put I should record my laugh. You said do the last laugh again. Let me see. I forgot the last laugh. I forgot. I got so many laughs here. Let me see. Was it this one? Oh man, this is too funny, guys. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get out of here. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. But guys, be careful out here. Be careful out here. You know, be careful for for buying these dips. Right now the market is selling off, so we don't know how low this thing could go. Or it might even pop up back up. So we'll see. But overall, right now, the sellers are in control right now. They are in control, and they selling this market off. So shout out to you guys. Let me get out of here. If you don't have the course, definitely check it out before I get off. So anyway, guys, told you guys later. I might come back on later. So shout out to GR8. Shout out to Eric. Shout out to everybody that got the course today. Eric, thanks a lot for getting the course. Thanks a lot, Eric, and thanks a lot, O'Connor, for getting the course, and thanks a lot, everybody, for coming through. Mr. XRP, thanks a lot for coming through. Ace, everybody that's here. Bobby, Crypto Gains, King, Dom, all my moderators here. Okay, Leslie Savage, everybody that's here, everybody that's making this money. Shout out to you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Probably come later on. We'll see, though. We'll see. But thanks a lot for stopping by, making this money. So I'll see you guys later, and we'll definitely talk later. So take care, guys, and make sure you study the market.